Hello and welcome to the video. Today we are going to review the presentation of IPC Intelligence Prime Capital along with management and what are the futures of this project. So without wasting much more time, let's begin. But before beginning, I may discuss with you the risk disclaimer of the forex trading. Not only forex trading but also in every market or any kind of financial product, you have to clear with your own investment, right? Do not get into any kind of debts, loan or credit card bills in the profits, right? You have to do investment or deposit of your spare money or your own money. Do not go into the debts. And also, this is not a financial investment in this presentation. This is just a general information concerning about your forex trading update. Let's begin. Forex is the world's largest financial market. More than 800 US million dollar has been daily huge trading exchange in the derivative market, and this is the one of the most traded market in the world. Because of this market is has some USP like 24 by 7 operations, convenient transaction, flexible leverages, low threshold, high transparency, high liquidity, more than 6 trillion US dollar. There is a liquidity daily volume, right? Huge transactions volume. Also, we can say that there are three types of trading methods in this forex trading: personal trading, copy trading, AI analysis. But the best one is AI analysis, which we are going to discuss today. IPC Intelligence Prime Capital Limited is a company which is already into AI softwares and enterprise management software along with cloud storage management systems, and users are its user has been flourished over 10 countries, right? About IPC, we can say that it is Canadian company registered from Canada, incorporation certificate, and everything is from Canada, right? And in 2021, IP Capital has been introduced, officially launched with their global digital asset trading platform, globally with one-stop diversified platform at one services, one platform. United States, UK, Canada, Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, China, Nigeria, Cameroon, Ghana are these countries in which their users are now active. Also, in Asian countries, it is now growing very good, like India, Bangladesh, and some of the others countries. Registration certificate is from Canada. We can see everything out here. And FinTrack. What is FinTrack? Financial Transaction and Report Analysis Center of India, founded in 2000. It is the governing agency which is reporting to Ministry of Finance and Parliament Activity Center. So we can say it is the institution which keep record keeping, KYC and development. And this is the certification you can go through online also, or the person who you will get the link in description also. This is the MSB Money Services business to working in Canada, and we can see the date also. 6, that is June 2021, they have got this license and it is valid till 2024 June. So this is the MSB registration, link in description you will get. And also this is the certificate of along with US Digital Asset Regulatory License, MSB Money Business Service from FinCEN, that is Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, Treasury Department of Treasury, right? US department. Next is ASIC, that is Australian Securities and Investment Commission. This is also founded in July 2012. 2012. Australian government has also issued the money services business regulatory license. This link you will also got in description. The management. Now introduction to the management. COO Mr. Walter Stephen has already 25 years of experience along with computing and mathematics, Oxford University, PhD in Oxford University, along with Mr. Val and NGSH, CMO of IPC. You will find FAQs, Mr. Val, Dr. Val answering the FAQs, link in description video. MT4 is the world class platform on which trading has been started and profit will be generated. Now, why choose IP Capital? 24/7 market analysis and easy digital payment, that is crypto of USD Tether. USD Tether, USDT. You can pay through USDT and withdrawal through USDT, deposits and withdrawal, everything. Now, three types of bots are there. We will discuss in further part. $20, $40, and $100. Three types of bot are there. There are 16 type of formula along which built-in trading system and copy trading, that is bank scalper, BS28 dashboard max, along with sniper, advanced sniper pro, and like this. So what does the IPC do? How much amount which we are going to deposit, it will give us profit on AI analysis. Like manual trading has many of the problems like emotions. We are emotion and we have human intervention has a limitations, but AI analysis has surpassed everything, and therefore it is going to be the very good. Like what is the future and benefit, we'll discuss in this business model, right? Risk disclaimer, again I have already cleared with you. Do not go into the depths in to make some profits, right? Do with your own spare money any kind of financial product, not only in forex but also in any of the presentation or any of the market which you are going to do. Now, AI bot system subscription, you can subscribe $20 bot, $39 bot, $40 bot, but the most popular and the hot product is Genius bot, that is $100, 99.99, because it gives 30 to 45% monthly profit, and minimum deposit is 100 USD security deposit. And after that, if you refer anyone, you will get 10% of the AI bot system bonus, right? And very importantly, you can go through, for example, you have deposit $100 for Genius bot subscription and $1,000 for your deposit, you will get 45%, up to 45% on your deposit, that is $450 every month. Now if you refer someone, then you will get 10% of the boat bonus. Like $100 boat anyone has subscribed with Genius bot, you will get $10 immediately, and so on. You can refer as many as friends you can. Along with, you get the sponsor bonus also. If anyone is depositing $1,000 and a person will refer B, he will get $10 as a referral bonus, board system, right? But also he will get sponsorship bonus. Like he is shareholder, he will get 10%. If he is leader, he'll get 5%, depending on the rank which is mentioned out here: leader, supervisor, senior manager, department manager. Whatever amount deposit by your referral, you will get according to your rank immediately. Like if you are leader, you will get B deposit $1,000, A will get $50 instantly. You can withdraw it on your Binance, Tronlink Pro, or any of the USDT wallet. Next is management bonus. This is the one of the fantastic bonus, because whatever the profits are generated, on that generation profit 20 level distribution is done depending on this rank. Like three criterias are there: leader, you have to complete the criteria; personal investment, you can say personal deposit $100, personal sale $500, group sale $1,000, right? You will get level 1. Level 1 is 30% of the ROI. Whatever ROI or whatever profit is generated by the bot, on the first level you will get 30% of the profit. Like $450 is generated on $1,000 to will be received by B. A will get 30% of $450, which is $135, right? From B. Below B there is C. On C ROI you will get 20%, but for second level you have to complete supervisor, and so on, senior manager, department manager, shareholder, and if you qualify shareholder, you will get 20 level bonus. That is very big amount, right? After that, we are going to discuss global bonus, which is given to shareholder and managing director level bonus, right? For example, in this global pool there are 10 lakh dollar deposit, and 10 achievers are into MD and SD level. They will get 1 lakh dollar for each of the person, right? Next, so this is it. Like as I said, $1,000 deposit by A user, he will get $450 every month, 45%, and for 6 months, after 6 months he will get $2,700, and it is go on, because this bot is for lifetime. And that was the presentation which we are going to discuss and clear. Now I will show you, like, my account is of $5,235, and the profit generated by bot in today is, we can see today profit is more than like $55, right? It generate in every 3 trades per day, and now it is $5,235, right? So that's it. You can see whatever the referral bonus is deposit in your USD wallet, you can withdraw it from here. You can go in menu bar transaction and you have to click on withdrawal. You will get withdrawal in your Binance or Tron Link Pro, any of the account, or you can do it redeposit like internal transfer. You can redeposit it from wallet to MT4, or MT4 to wallet will be done on weekends only, right? So that's it for today's review of this presentation. Although it is very good, and right now it is going very trending in the all international market also. Thank you and all the best.